Okay, Ollie Bear. You are sitting so good. You are sitting so good.
Spot we missed.
Ollie. Booda 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 booda. Booda 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 booda. You give Granny that smile. You give her that smile. I'm gonna come nom 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 you. I'm gonna come nom 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 you. Yes, I love Ollie Bear. Shabam. Shabam. Who is that? Who is that? You know, you could smile or you could cry. Either way, just fine with me. Yes.
Oh! I'm sorry.
You tell him. You tell him, you little punk.
What happened? Did you get kisses and it toppled you? Did you get toppled?
Yeah, I did. Where is he? Where is he?